10900K, if you can find one, should sell for about $530. So if you're finding it for more than $600, I think you're paying too much. 3950X is widely available. The system I built, we built a system here using a Be Quiet Pure Base 600 case with a 3950X with the same RAM I've got in this rig here, the G-Scale Royal, which had no problems. Can't remember which motherboard, but the build video's here, and that system works great. It's fine. But me personally, I would take a 10900K, but because I can't get one at a reasonable price, they're either sold out or they're like $800, which is way, way too much. The 10850K is only 100 megahertz slower, and it's like $30 cheaper, so it's like $499 or something like that. And you can find them for $499 versus, you know, this $530 chip being sold for $800. I don't understand why that's happening. But the 10th gen also runs cooler and doesn't have the RAM compatibility potential. But, you know, at the end of the day, they're both good chips. And if you were doing something that required a lot of cores, then the AMD's your better choice, like Blender, let's say. But if you're gaming, then the Intel's your better choice because the single core performance is better, but it's not a lot better.